back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little Cousin It inspired character. Almost said a gnome, but he's not a gnome. If you want to learn how to make him, stick around. I'll show you how. Hey guys, what you're going to need for this project, you're going to need some faux fur. You're going to need a bag to put some rice in, some little glasses, a little hat, a piece of felt that's going to go on the bottom of this little bottle. So just measure that off of that bottle, and a little piece of 2 1/4 inch circle for the top of the bottle. You're gonna need the bottle, some stuffing, some rice, and a marker. Let's get started. Okay, let me clean my space off. And I'll put a link in the description where I got all this stuff too, so you'll know how to where to get it. The hats are at Hobby Lobby, and you got to get them during the holidays because that's the only time that I've ever seen them there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our faux fur, and we're gonna take it with the nap down. We're going to turn it over, and we're going to measure it and cut it out at 8 inches wide by 7 1/4 inches long. You just take a marker and draw the line around it. That's the easiest way. And then you're going to cut it out. And the way that you cut faux fur is you get underneath this fabric. You don't cut you don't cut through the fur. You cut through just the fabric. It's just a real thin layer of the fabric, and you can feel it pretty easily when you're cutting. Another thing you might want to have during this project is a lint brush, because this fur gets everywhere. Okay, so now that you've cut it out, go ahead and take the time and remove all the excess hair. Go all the way around it and just remove it. Otherwise, you're going to have a hairy mess on your workstation. Go ahead and clean your area up a little bit. Okay, we're just going to take the bottle. This is just a regular squeeze bottle. You get it for condiments and stuff like that. So we're going to get rid of the cap. We're going to go ahead and hot glue the bottom on, so if anybody ever turns it over, they don't see that you've got a plastic bottle here. Okay, then we're going to glue the fur around the bottle. I'm going to start at the bottom. Might put a couple lines in the middle just to make sure you got enough in there. Okay, then we get it to this point, just pull it together, and then the hair will cover everything up. Okay, next you're going to grab your bag, and you're going to fill it full of rice. And I'm using almost a cup full, about 3/4 of a cup full. And this is just to weigh it down. And tie your bag off. And you don't have to use a cloth bag. You can use a Ziploc bag or whatever you want to use, just so that it's contained inside the bottle. Then we're just going to place it inside the bottle. And then we're just going to use some stuffing to fill the rest of the bottle with, just so that it doesn't shake around in there if you pick this up. Okay. Now we're going to take our hot glue, and we're just going to glue this little piece of paper on top. Okay, now we're just going to glue our faux fur down. And probably the easiest way to do that is to trim it. If you can see what I'm doing, I'm just going to kind of go down the sides a little bit. And then we're going to hot glue the top. Put quite a bit too, because we need it to hold really well. And then just start pushing your pieces in. All this will be covered up, so even if you get glue on top, you're not going to see it once we put that hat on there. Okay, then we're going to attach our hat to the top. I'm just going to put glue pretty much all around the edges of the top of the inside of the cap. And then just put it right on top. And hold it till it dries. And you start seeing how he's coming together. All right. Then these glasses, I ordered these on AliExpress, and I'll put the link, but they're just glasses for like a 18-inch doll. But that's the only place that I could find anything that looks similar. Put it on him like that, just stick it on there. And then we're going to put a little bit of glue underneath the earpiece. And then just put a little bead of glue along the top of the hair right there and push it down, and that'll hold it onto it. I'll do the same thing on the other side. And then put a little glue along the hair and lay it down over the top of it. And that will hold the glasses on. All right, and if you want to use him for the holidays, you can just add a little bit of greenery, and now he's all festive. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like. If you want to see future videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.